Classic customer service question to start things off. Is the customer always right? So the customer is always right, but they're not always correct. And what I mean by that is the customer is always right in having their opinion be heard, but sometimes it's not factually correct. So you want to make sure you have great communication. Well, I think it's important to do just that, to manage their expectations, because if we set the bar too high and we know we can't deliver on it, we're shooting ourselves in the foot. Same if we set the bar too low and we overshoot, then the customer's going to think, oh, it's easy, so next time it's going to be that easy. So find a balance. Client success to me is a client that's so surprised and impressed by something that you've done to move things forward or to be proactive that they weren't even expecting. So the element of surprise is always great with customer service. I think being genuinely thoughtful, getting to know your clients, phoning them randomly just to ask how they're doing, understanding if there's other parts of their business or life in which you can help without kind of overstepping, always being a resource for them. Usually the approach with customer service is appease and influence. So being aggressive is never acceptable, but you want to help the client understand that they are being heard, that you understand them, and that you're going to come up with a resolution, and then sincerely come up with some ideas. Usually it comes down to expectations. So a client's usually not a fit if their expectations and what you can deliver are not aligned. So making sure that you're managing those expectations up front so that you don't take on clients that aren't the right fit. Education is huge, especially in our business. We do digital marketing. Educating clients in terms of what is available to them in terms of technology or possibilities and capabilities is huge, because if they understand it, they can be part of the decision. And if you feel part of the decision, that's great. Always be pushing the envelope in terms of what your idea is about great customer service. Listen. I can't stress this enough. Listen. And then also think about how you would want to be treated. Treat someone the way you'd want to be treated, and surely that's a recipe for success. Delivering results, pushing their business forward, doing things that no one would want to do, but would greatly benefit their business or themselves. Really going above and beyond. Understand if the concern is genuine or if it's a miscommunication. And if it's genuine, take the time, spend time to really move towards the conflict, understand what the issues are, and put together a strategy and plan to make it right and own it. Fortunately, we get a lot of good, positive reviews from clients that are happy. And I think what stands out to me is when I'm getting good, positive reviews about people on the team being very client-centric, listening, understanding, being organized, and really helping to move things forward.